Hi there, people of the interweb, welcome to my channel. Please ensure you are subscribed. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own DIY black soap, shampoo and body wash. So without further ado, you know what we do. Let's get right into the video. The first thing you would need is obviously black soap. I'm going to be using Dudu Osun black soap. This is how it looks. You'd also need a container for you to store the black soap when you are done the wash. This is my body wash, my preserved body wash container. This is how it looks. Then you would also need a container for the shampoo. I'm going to be using my Dark and Lovely OWO-NI-KOKO conditioner as conditioner container. Then I'm going to use my oil mix, one contains my Ayurvedic herbs and powders. Then I'm going to be using CHEBE because you guys know that I like CHEBE. I'm going to be using my CHEBE powder from the Kinky Essentials. Then this is my PALMKERNEL and olive oil mix. You need a knife. You would also need tea. I'm going to be using black tea because it's extra strengthening. You need a container to mix it. This is my glass jar. And right now I'm just opening the nylon and then showing you guys how it looks. This is how Dudu Osun looks like up close. It has a name on it. Then I'm going to go ahead with my knife and just cut it into tiny pieces. This part is the stressful part because Dudu Osun is quite hard. If you have regular black soap, like not processed like this one, you can basically just use your hand and tear it apart. But Dudu Osun is already processed and packaged, so yeah. Black soap is very good for your skin and for your hair. It helped me get through my acne phase, and it's my favorite thing in my shampoo. Like I love my shampoos having black soap. So this is how it looks up close. Like all the particles. I didn't cut them so tiny because I really didn't have the strength, to be very honest. So the next I'm going to just go ahead and put these pieces into the jar of warm water. You have to ensure that the water covers the whole soap you're putting in so that everything dissolves smoothly. The thing about Dudu Osun doesn't dissolve to the end, so a good part of it will dissolve very well after a few hours, but you still see chunks underneath. So right now I'm just scraping off all the excess and putting it into the jar. So I added extra water to my jar so that it will cover the soap level. So right now I'm soaking, and this is how it looks right now. So I left this for about 7 hours. I actually forgot I was meant to finish this video. I was really busy. This is how it looks. So after 7 hours, a good part of it had dissolved. So I transferred the top. I already want my shampoo to have particles, so I transferred the top, which was more liquidy, into my shampoo bottle. I didn't pour everything into the shampoo bottle. Then I went ahead to add my oils. I added my oil mix that had CHEBE and a few Ayurvedic powders into the shampoo to add the moisturizing effect, because sometimes black soap can actually dry out your skin or dry out your hair. Then I went ahead to add my black tea. You guys know I love black tea. Prevents shedding. I have a black tea video. I have it linked at the top right corner. This is how my black tea looked. Extra strengthening shampoo. And finally, guys, I went in with my CHEBE powder. This is the most strengthening. This is the easiest strengthening shampoo to make. No jokes. Right now I'm adding my CHEBE powder, and I'm going to go ahead to just shake everything and mix everything together till it looks so cute and perfect. I love this shampoo. It smells amazing because Dudu Osun actually smells really nice, and it's a cheaper alternative. So right now into the body wash, I'm going to put the bottom section or the bottom part of my black soap mix into my body wash container. But things that there are still particles under, everything didn't dissolve into a solution in the container. So I'm going to just use my hand and force the particles. They are quite soft now. Force the particles into my black soap body wash container. Just force it so that it can always keep on dissolving while I'm using the black soap body wash. I'm just going ahead to force them in. They are quite soft, that's why it's entering very smoothly. No wahala. So I ended up forcing everything inside, every single particle. After which I went ahead to apply a lot of almost 50 drops of oil. This is my palm kernel and olive oil mix. You guys know I love palm kernel oil and olive oil, so we're obviously going to be 2 oils I was going to use. I'm going to add a lot of drops. I added almost 50 drops of the oil into this because I wanted it to be really I didn't want it to dry out my skin at all. And this body wash was a lot. I really needed a lot because I really didn't have any body wash again. So this was just perfect for me. After which, I just went ahead to cover it up and shake everything and mix everything though. You can add whatever oils you want to add. These are the oils that are readily available to me. That's why I'm using this oil. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. Please subscribe to my channel. Follow me across all social media platforms, The Natural Kachi. Look for my shampoo and my body wash looking cute. Follow me on TikTok at The Natural Kachi. Subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.